And this is something that we should probably do on a regular basis.
Just like magic, I'm attracted. I get everything I want 'cause I attract.
Hi ones, Minister Ashley here. I do apologize that I haven't been posting here as much as I usually would, but I've been very busy. So I wanted to just catch you guys up with what I've been up to, mainly when it comes to rituals and working my magic. I wanted to go over what I've been doing as far as breaking up a lot of the energetic blockages that I have incurred. And this is something that we should probably do on a regular basis. I was led, my angels, my guides, my ancestors led me to do a series of rituals to help remove a lot of the stagnant negative energy as we all collect. The thing is that we all collect negative energy. We all collect a certain amount of spiritual residue that we have to remove. Sometimes this can block, a lot of times it can block your intentions and your rituals. I first started off with a jinx candle. I will cover that in another video on the herbs and everything that I did, and that was powerful. That one was really, really powerful, and it helped to remove a lot of negativity, a lot of blocks that I was incurring. Second, I did a road opener ritual. Once again, I will cover that in another video. And then finally, which I'm working on now, is a blockbuster ritual. After I finish that candle, then I will proceed to go into the conjure candles. This key right around my neck is actually from that road opener spell, which I will wear while I'm burning this blockbuster ritual. And I will cover that, the reasoning and all of the symbology, the meanings, the steps, all of that in another video. If you are not following me on my main channel, FD 1111 Ministries, then make sure that you do follow me on that channel. I've been somewhat more active over there. I'm working on a schedule that I will post more regularly content there and as well here. A couple of other updates. I'm relaunching the podcast, the Awaken podcast, and I'm also launching a new project, which is the Awaken magazine. And this is a magazine, it's a quarterly magazine that focuses on spiritual matters. It ranges from spiritualists, witchy people like us, anybody that wants to share their spiritual journey, their spiritual story, tips, techniques, tarot readers, astrology reports, the whole gamut, anything that covers holistic health or spiritual health. And it doesn't matter about a religion. So I have that project that is launching on the spring equinox, and that's going to be a really good project. And if you're interested in being featured in that magazine and or on the podcast, just let me know. I will have the information listed down in the description below, as well as the links to those candles that I mentioned. I'm also converting my ebook to a paperback book, so that has been keeping me very busy as well. I'm offering more information, more in-depth translations of the text that will help bring more clarification to these scriptures and to these other divinatory and magic practices. If you currently have the ebook, I'm going to add some updates to that ebook, and I will keep you guys posted. So you can just, all you have to do, you don't have to repurchase it. You just hit the refresh button, from my understanding, and it will give you the latest version for you to have access to. I also have a couple of features on other platforms that are coming up. I'll also keep you guys posted about that, because I'm really excited about this entire lineup of this year. Very transformational, very beneficial to the collective. Thank you for your continued support and your patience while I get everything situated, as I am going through another phase of my life and of the ministry. So I'm very excited about this. You guys, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm more active on Instagram, and I'm working on being more active on TikTok and on here and on other platforms. I'm just, trying to put together this whole schedule so everything works with flow. It's more so about flow and ease for the longevity. sometimes you do have to push a little harder with things, but it doesn't mean that you have to, everything has to be a challenge. So being able to post and offer more value with less hesitation, with less roadblocks, and straight to the point, beneficial, clear, concise information for you guys. Thank you for your continued support. Like, share, and definitely subscribe, because I will be posting more regular content. The links for the magazine, the candles, everything will be listed down below. All right, much love. Peace.